Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to use Spotify Jam Session. Now all you need to do is to go right on ahead and open up your Spotify app right here. And then go ahead and play something. So say for example, we have this right here. I'll go ahead and play this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be clicking on the actual music that is being played right here at the bottom. This will open it up. And then you should be able to see something like an icon with a speaker on the bottom left. So go ahead and click on this. And then as you can see here, you should be able to see this green button where it says we can go ahead and start a jam. So this is our Spotify Jam Session. So go right on ahead and click on this. And then what will happen is this will go ahead and create a jam session where you can go ahead and share this link to your friends. Or if you have your Bluetooth and you have iOS 17 or your Apple, then you can go ahead and just tap on the device itself. Or you can go ahead and let your friends scan using the QR code. So with this, you will essentially join the current jam session that we are on. So at the moment, as you can see, we have this right here at the top as what is currently in the playlist. We also have some upcoming next songs right here. Or if you want to go ahead and add songs, then you can go ahead and click on add songs right here, and then just go ahead and choose which ones you would want to go ahead and add. And you also have this option right here where you can go ahead and let others change what is being played. So essentially with this jam session, you're all able to listen and tune in to the current music that is being played together, and go ahead and make sure to invite your friends right here. If you want to go ahead and end the jam session, there is this end button right here. So just go ahead and click on end, and this will completely remove the jam session. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.